Do you want to know how my Canadian students are making $50,000 by wholesaling houses, which is flipping houses without ever buying them in Canada and the United States? Well, here's the exact strategy that we use to do this. Right now, all over Canada and the United States, there is people who want to sell their house, but they can't sell them the traditional way. These are rundown properties in dilapidated condition, in desperate need of renovation. And that's where you come in as a real estate wholesaler. You go out and you find these deeply discounted, dilapidated properties in desperate need of renovations. You get the homeowner to agree to sell for a wholesale price, and then you connect that property to an investor, a buyer who's gonna buy the property, renovate it, and sell it later. But you don't have to do renovations. You don't have to buy properties when you're doing this strategy. This is the most heart-centered strategy within real estate because you're creating a win-win-win all around. The homeowner who normally wouldn't be able to sell their property through the traditional ways gets to sell their property. You as the wholesaler get to make 10% of the value of the property. So if a house is $300,000, the wholesaler makes $30,000. And then on the other side, the renovator, the investor, gets a great property that they can buy, they can renovate it and sell it for a profit. So it's a win-win-win all around. My name is Tony and I'm from Vancouver, Canada, and I've been doing this strategy all across the USA and Canada, and it's done 100% remotely. So this has given me the freedom to leave Canada during the winters and spend 3 or 4 months of the year outside of Canada and escape the cold winters while wholesaling houses 100% remotely online. And this is the foundation that everybody who's getting into real estate should build upon, because you're gonna develop the essential skills of becoming an expert at finding profitable investment properties and then connecting them to buyers. So it's a great way to establish yourself within real estate in a risk-free environment because we never buy properties. So it's a great way to get started in real estate because we never buy properties. It's a way to build the foundational skills within real estate without ever buying the properties. So go ahead, click on the link below, sign up to the free training that I'm going to do, where I'm going to show you how to become a real estate wholesaler in the next 48 hours.